So this is what the finished dish looks like. Some baked chicken wings, glazed or doused in tamarind sauce. Welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Welcome to the gang. Today I will be preparing some chicken wings, oven style, glazed with tamarind sauce. Yes, tamarind sauce. Growing up in Jamaica, we know tamarind has a tangy taste. It has a long lasting taste that's like really hard to, it's a little sour, but not too sour. But I was enthused when I saw this on the food channel, how they fried some wings, they made some tamarind sauce and glazed the chicken, and I was interested. I love stuff like that, and I think at times we need to switch things up. For my sauce, I'll be using orange juice, honey, sugar, ketchup, ginger, and a little chili pepper to make my sauce. And I'll take you through the entire video on how I prepare my sauce. Right about now, I'll be adding some cornstarch on my chicken to do it in the oven. This will help to tenderize the meat and also to give it that crisp look that I want it to have. Now, I do hope that all my videos that I'm posting, that you find them educational, that you find them where you can run to my channel and try one of my quick recipes. That is one of the reasons why I always emphasize and ask persons to like the videos, leave a comment. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out, ask questions. I think as Jamaicans, we're so used to the everyday Jamaican cooking, the everyday Jamaican taste, that we're so scared to explore. We're scared to fail, let me put it that way. But I am not scared to fail. I love a test, and we've all failed at one point in our lives, in school, in any and everything that we do. But when we fail, it then empowers us and gives us the strength to want to succeed. So be wanting to succeed, we're gonna go and we're gonna fight for what we want. Stay encouraged, you all. Be encouraged. Let us all support our one another. Again, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking, where real cooking is done over on this page. From start to finish, you'll see me cooking. Please feel free, drop a comment. Please feel free to ask any question that you want. 95% of the time my videos are being premiered, I am there watching them. Remember to hit your notification bell. I am about ready to make my tamarind sauce, and it's quick and easy. I used 2 cups water, and I'll be adding this block of tamarind in the pot to boil for at least 10 minutes. Make sure you're comfortable, and please watch the video to the end. My videos are not like 30 or 40 minutes. I should be doing them for 12 minutes to help to increase my watch hours. However, I try my best to reduce the time that I do them. So I know this one will be a little bit close to 12 minutes, but it's not. Please make sure you support my videos. Please make sure you watch them to the end. Don't start to watch them and then stop. help me to get my watch hours up. At present, I'm at not even 500 watch hours, but I'm not giving up. I am going to continue the fight. As Martin Luther King says, I am gonna continue the fight. I'm gonna keep the faith and do what I'm doing because I like it. I love what I do, and I'm not gonna let the numbers hold me back. 45 minutes in, my chicken is now ready. I lowered my heat. I'm just turning them over. I lowered my heat, and once I'm done with the sauce, I'll just dip them in the sauce and add them back to the oven. I did not use any browning or food coloring on the wings because the tamarind has that brown color, so I do know that once I glaze them and add them back in the oven, then it will get the color that I want it to get. It's already smelling like I could eat them just as is, but no. I am going to wait and add my sauce to it and enjoy it. And I will take you through how I do the sauce. Please feel free to share my videos. Please feel free to share them with anyone you wish. I added on my community page that I have some giveaways and what are the requirements. No one is looking over that side, but it's okay. I'm not giving up. Homegirl will continue to put content out there. The competition is stiff, the competition is strong. However, I'm not giving up. So here I added a little olive oil to my frying pan. Then I'll be adding in my chili flakes. This is now a little warm, so I add my chili flakes to it. Then I'm adding my 2 tablespoons grated ginger. And then I'll be adding in the tamarind juice that was boiled. I am straining it into my frying pan. And for my sauce, I'll cook this for at least 15 to 20 minutes until it starts to get tangy, until it starts to thicken. And I will not be using any cornstarch or anything in it except a little ketchup to help to give it the body, because it will boil for 20 minutes and then form a thick sauce. This is granulated sugar and white sugar that I'm using, sweeteners to try to get, I would say, the little sour taste that the tamarind has. For the honey, I did not measure the honey. I just added honey and I tasted as I moved along to see if it was coming near to what I wanted, to see if the tamarind juice itself was overpowering. I taste my pot because you want to know if it has the flavor and the taste, so you can try to enhance it. So I added some orange juice also. And remember, now this is my way experimenting. The food channel use different things. I am experimenting with different things. So I'm adding in my ketchup, and then I'll just leave this to boil, simmer down. See, it has a very nice color. I'll just leave it to simmer down to what I want it to be. And then I will be glazing my chicken, adding back my chicken in the oven for at least 10 minutes so that the sauce can seep in on the wings on low heat because the chicken is already cooked. Look at the sauce, how rich it looks. And I'm just showing you how I dipped some of my wings in it. And then I'll be adding back in my oven, and then my meal will be ready. You can have this with salad, you can have this with fries, you can have this with even rice or anything you choose. If you want to have this with rolls, Super Bowl is coming up. This is a recipe you can also use. Be spontaneous, experiment, and try new things just like I do. It's always interesting to try other cultures, food, and here are my glazed wings looking so juicy, looking so nice. If you stayed this long in my video, what are you waiting on to subscribe? What are you waiting on to hit your notification bell? Look at what I did, yes. Your cook, Shelly, prepared some tamarind glazed oven style wings for dinner. Stay tuned for my next video. Again, thank you for the support. Stay encouraged. Stay safe. Be safe. Spread love. Give love. God is love. Love you all, and thank you again for the continued support. Help me to increase my subscriber base. Stay tuned. Watch out. Not sure what's the next video coming up, but stay tuned. Continue to watch. Continue to click the likey button and like up the video them so other subscribers will be interested, and YouTube will send out my videos so persons will come to my channel. Please give the video likes. See you soon.